Facetv Muswobi.
Please let's all rise to welcome the arrival of our rising speaker. Our own very speaker that
supports you, and God will grant you the knowledge, wisdom, and understanding in order for you to lead your family right. God will comfort you and will show you the direction and lead you well.
I'm a money company. Àkókò try láti manage ilẹ̀ afẹ́ ìgbọ́nba wa ní ìgbẹ́ ọ̀pẹ dídá nítorí pé orí ọlọ́run pọ̀ àdẹ̀lẹ̀dọ́pẹ́ tán láìláì àmà dúpẹ́ náà ni tí bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ látẹ̀yìn níbi àwọn bàbá wa tó wà lórí ìjókòó yìí láti ìgbà tí ọlọ́run ti pé bàbá tèmi sọ́dọ̀ àtìgbà ìlọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ti ń yọjú ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà lọ́wọ́ àpẹẹrẹ bá tẹ́ òkú sínú sàárè àti níwájú mi ń bì láti ọ̀dọ̀ wọn tàbí òṣìṣẹ́ àtọ̀dọ̀ gómìnà deputy governor àti house of assembly àti gbogbo ojoojúmọ́ ni gbogbo wọn yọjú every day since last Tuesday. In fact, got to a stage and I was telling some people I'm becoming envious of my father. Can you imagine this crowd? We are not even ready láti lọ báyìí because it has been so marvelous and so surprising. Because when you reflect and we look at the magnitude of people from last Tuesday up to yesterday, kò mọ bí lẹ́yìn ọ̀fẹ́ dá ọpẹ́ yẹn o. Ìfá mi mọ bí tí èèyàn ti lè dá ọpẹ́ yẹn. Ìfá ìjọ ta sì kó gan, èmi ò rí ìrànlọ́ so I was unconscious of my surroundings on that very day. But the people that came the second day were telling me because I was contemplating on holding this prayer at a public school close to us. And they were like, pẹ̀lú èrò tó wá yẹn, lẹ́fẹ̀ẹ́ lọ sí ibi báyìí. Jẹ́ èrò bẹ́ẹ̀, mo ní èrò tó wá yẹn, bí ìwé bá wà ní school yẹn, ọlọ́pàá jẹ́ kí school yà. So àwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀, a máa dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ọba. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, mo dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run fún mi ní bàbá tó bí mi, mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run bá wa dà á lágbà, mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ fọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí wá lọ ẹbí tí mo ti wá nínú ẹbí Obasa. Ìdí tí mo ṣe ni mo dúpẹ́ bàbá mi àtẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ wọ́n máa ń sọ ọ̀pọ̀pọ̀ àkọ́ṣọ́ wẹ̀s tí wọ́n nìyẹn. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tábà ń fẹ́ máa á ní má mú gbó tó bá mú gbó máa ya wèrè ni o má mú gbó tó bá mú gbó máa ya from childhood so it stopped. In my brain, up to the people. So if I say that you're going to have a pay up to this moment, because the fear was there. And the second one, they will ask me, close your eyes. To that in the youth, and if I don't know, lay your papa, to that in the really more. They will tell me, yes, funny. And if you close your eyes. What did you see? I don't know. So from there, caution words. So if you don't have a great prayer about Marco, but you really went born, so they go. If you don't get a false born, not to know who tell it, the only one be killed by Manimuda Obasa, and the thing is the Buddha, thing Obasa, what about the Obasa, Bugua, Lashikini, Obasa, Papa, no look on there. So those are the words from the guy that I bring down. People don't have show tendency to have a yap or I'm not saying, Mama, I don't know, and go back to school, they leave go, and go back there, go, my shaking, go my yard. So go do better for Obi at the dignity, go to Tiwa, and go to the story, our yeah, all guide you are. I want to let him be more, I think guide you, our more. So go to bed, Lord, Baba, me to be me, all of the bad, I want to have a lot of there was something very. Èyí tó jẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ náà tí ẹ náà ti lọ ìyẹn náà tí mo ti Obasa kọ́lọ́ba tẹ́wọ̀n náà sàbẹ̀ kó ṣáà ìyá tèmi náà tó dẹ̀ ti kú tipẹ́tipẹ́ kọ́lọ́ba ṣàforíjì kọ́lọ́ba mi tẹ́wọ̀n sàbẹ̀ gómìnà mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín ẹgbẹ́ ìbẹ̀rẹ̀ lápò lórí Mr. President tọ́lọ́wọ́ bọ́ọ̀ ti ẹ̀ wá ìjọ ìgbọ̀ngàn náà ti di fóònù mọ́lẹ̀ náà ti pè náà ti ṣe wáàsì mo kí president wa mo kí àwọn wọn náà ìyẹn excellence wa first lady àwọn náà pè tó mo wá tara bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kí gómìnà ẹ̀ ṣe mo kí gómìnà wa wọ́n ní one leg in one leg out ní ọwọ́ yín gbogbo arékò mo dúpẹ́ gbogbo ọ̀gára déédéé gbogbo Obasa family I thank you the Obasa from Ọ̀jọ́ Obasa from Abúlé Ẹ̀gbá Obasa from Ọ̀dùnbà I thank you I can't thank you enough I thank you and the only lesson I'm taking away from all this is that you just have to be good. The good thing for you is to be good to others. That is my lesson and that's what I'm taking away. Because in fact with money you can't get this turnout. Even though you want to share money all around, so the level is that we must open. We must be open to others and we must try to associate with others, particularly we in public office. So I thank you all. God bless. My friends from Conference of Speakers, Labour, Ọ̀ṣun, Delta, I thank you. God bless you abundantly. And all the world, ẹ̀yin bàbá wa, àfọ àbòkíyò láti Gọ́rí Gas, ẹ̀rù ní Dídìgbà. Ìgbà tí Dídìgbà come from US, he just called me. Ọmọ olókùn pẹ̀lẹ́ ọdún nípa mi ìsílẹ̀ mo wà ní Amẹ́ríkà àbúrò ìṣe àdúgbò and the following day I saw his people. I saw his people. Ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ọdún wá lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mo dúpẹ́ gbogbo ọmọ náà mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ìbèlè dúpẹ́ tọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ẹ̀kú fẹ́ mi. TV man of Lagos, àwọn náà kọ́kọ́ pè wọ́n send message mo ṣẹ̀ wá ń pè wọ́n padà bí 2 days later mo ṣẹ̀ wá ń pè wọ́n ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín àti bàbá Morikas mo dé nǹkan ti sàwọn oníwà ọkọ̀ everyday àwọn màmá rán ìyàwó lójúmọ́ dẹ̀ lọ rán àwọn èèyàn ọ̀rọ̀ wà lọ́wọ́ wá bí àti ẹ̀gbọ́n mi náà tó wà bí ọ̀wọ́ náà ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín thank you very much God bless you. Àpapọ̀ àwọn gbogbo náà ṣe amúgbálẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọ olókùn láti ìjọ yẹn everyday títí òun náà fi wà bí ẹ ṣé and àwọn mẹ́mbà ẹ̀kọ́ wa Lagos State olùpẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín o látòrí SSG chief of staff títí dé gbogbo wọn àtàwọn PS látòrí bọ̀dé àgbòrò all of them olùpẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín àwọn ìjọba ilé ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti mi ọ̀rẹ́ mi pàdé mi ní House of Assembly in fact ní ọ̀ṣẹ́ máa define we are just one in that House of Assembly that is why we are both common standard of excellence. So that's why both common standard of excellence. I thank you from Deputy Speaker, Majority Leader, and the rest of you. I thank you and I said it from SSD Chief of Staff to the rest of them. Okay, I've just seen now the party chairman and his exco members. I thank you for coming and I thank our first lady in Lagos. Thank you, ma. Thank you. I can't appreciate you enough. She was here before now and she's here with us. We thank you. And Baba mi Akeolu, olówó Èkó, ojoojúmọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń pè, wọ́n tún rọ́wọ́ olóyè wá. Èyí náà bí wọ́n tún ti pè, wọ́n tún rọ́wọ́ olóyè wá. Kọ́tẹ́ ṣé kọ́ pè nìkan, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀tọ́, wọ́n ṣètò pé kódà ọmọ ológo. Ṣé gbogbo wa bọ̀ wá bàbá mi? Owó tí wọ́n ti bá fún ẹ má gbé lọ kò ní o, màá sọ fọ́wọ́ ìyàwó ẹ lé o.
Please subscribe to FaceTv Africa and turn the notification on. FaceTv Africa, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ subscribe hete.
Face TV was Swoby.